If you're looking to strike gold in the SMMA industry, then you are in the right place. I'm about to reveal to you everything you need to know about creating a multi-million-dollar AI automation agency for the SMMA industry. In this way, you can help marketers save time with content scheduling, social media posting, data analysis, and reporting. This frees up marketers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. By the end of this video, you will confidently know the 3 most important solutions you must have in place to launch a multi-million-dollar AI automation agency for this industry. Now to today's video. The social media marketing agency, SMMA industry, faces several critical problems that an AI automation agency could effectively solve. Firstly, the time-consuming and repetitive tasks involved in managing multiple social media accounts can be automated using AI algorithms, freeing up valuable time for marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. Secondly, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide valuable insights and optimize social media campaigns in real time, improving targeting and engagement. Additionally, AI can help in detecting and preventing fraudulent activities such as fake followers, likes, and comments, ensuring transparency and reliability in the industry. Lastly, AI automation agencies can offer cost-effective solutions by reducing the need for a large workforce, making SMMA services more accessible to businesses of all sizes. Your agency's main focus will be on developing and implementing AI-powered solutions tailored to the specific needs of individuals and organizations operating in the SMMA space. By leveraging the power of AI and automation, you have the potential to build a highly successful agency worth millions. Now let's explore some of the essential components that your agency should showcase in order to establish dominance in this field. The first essential component your agency should showcase is the ability to manage multiple social media pages. One critical problem that you, as an AI automation agency in the social media marketing agency, SMMA industry, should focus on solving is the challenge of managing multiple social media pages efficiently. This is a common pain point for businesses and individuals who have a presence on various platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. To tackle this problem, your AI automation agency can develop smart tools and systems that streamline the process of managing multiple social media pages. For instance, you can create an AI-powered dashboard that allows users to schedule and automate posts across different platforms simultaneously. Imagine you have a client, a small business owner who wants to promote their products on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. With your AI automation agency's solution, they can simply create a single post and schedule it to be published on all 3 platforms at the same time. This saves them valuable time and effort, as they don't have to manually log into each social media account separately. Furthermore, your AI automation agency can provide features like content curation, where the AI algorithms analyze the client's target audience and suggest relevant articles, images, or videos to share on their social media pages. This helps businesses maintain an active and engaging presence across multiple platforms without the need for extensive manual research. By addressing the critical problem of managing multiple social media pages, your AI automation agency empowers businesses to maximize their social media marketing efforts while minimizing the time and resources required. This solution not only enhances efficiency, but also allows businesses to reach a wider audience and drive better results in their social media campaigns. The second problem you should focus on solving as an AI automation agency is ad campaign optimization. Ad campaign optimization is crucial for businesses to maximize their return on investment and achieve their marketing goals. By leveraging AI technology, your agency can provide automated solutions that help businesses improve the performance of their ad campaigns. To start an AI automation agency for ad campaign optimization, here are the key steps you should follow. 1. Understand the industry. Familiarize yourself with the SMMA industry, its dynamics, and the challenges businesses face in optimizing their ad campaigns. This knowledge will help you tailor your AI solutions to meet their specific needs. 2. Develop AI algorithms. Invest in building robust AI algorithms that can analyze large data sets, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions. For example, your AI algorithm can automatically optimize ad targeting, bidding strategies, and creative elements based on real-time performance data. 3. Implement automation tools. Create user-friendly automation tools that integrate with popular advertising platforms such as Facebook ads or Google ads. These tools should enable businesses to easily set campaign objectives, define target audiences, and monitor performance metrics. 4. Provide actionable insights. Ensure that your AI automation solutions generate actionable insights for businesses. For instance, your agency's platform could provide recommendations on budget allocation, ad placement, or audience segmentation based on historical data and performance trends. 5. Continuous improvement. Regularly update and refine your AI algorithms to keep up with industry changes and evolving advertising platforms. By staying ahead of the curve, you can offer cutting-edge solutions that deliver optimal results for your clients. By offering AI-powered ad campaign optimization solutions, your agency can help businesses save time, reduce costs, and achieve better outcomes. With your expertise and advanced automation tools, businesses can focus on other aspects of their marketing strategy, knowing that their ad campaigns are being continuously optimized for success. Leading us to the last problem you should solve as an AI automation agency is to address the problem of fraudulent activities. As an AI automation agency, your role would be to develop and implement AI-powered solutions that can detect and prevent these fraudulent activities. Fraudulent activities in the SMMA industry can take various forms such as fake followers, likes, and engagement on social media platforms. These activities deceive clients into believing that they are receiving genuine engagement and growth, when in reality, it's all artificially inflated. To tackle this problem, your AI automation agency should focus on building algorithms and systems that can analyze patterns, behaviors, and data to identify fraudulent activities. For example, you can develop an AI model that assesses the authenticity of social media accounts by evaluating factors like follower growth rate, engagement patterns, and the quality of interactions. By leveraging AI automation, you can create a solution that continuously monitors and analyzes social media accounts, flagging suspicious activities in real time. This way, you can provide your clients with accurate insights and help them make informed decisions about their marketing strategies. Remember, as an AI automation agency, your goal is to offer a reliable and trustworthy solution that eliminates fraudulent activities and promotes transparency in the SMMA industry. Let us know down below in the comments which of the 3 topics resonated with you the most. Also, don't forget to follow the link in the description below to reserve your seat in our upcoming course, because we have a special step-by-step tutorial coming for you soon on creating your AI automation agency with zero coding. In this way, you can avoid wasting thousands of dollars on developers to launch your agency. We hope you found a lot of value from today's video. And remember to like and subscribe, because in every weekly video, we will give you strategies to blow up your AI automation agency, using all of the context and details needed to unlock all areas of weakness that need the assistance of AI automation. The future is now.